This is review of the DJI OM4. Adding a magnetic upgrade to the smartphone gimbal. OM4 captures smooth cinematic video without holding your phone hostage. It has upgraded 3-axis motors and a fun but gimmicky dolly zoom mode. Only a slight price bump over the Osmo Mobile 3. New smartphone gimbal DJI OM4 lets you shoot steady, shake-free videos, and it doesn't take up a lot of processing power. The DJI OM4 gives you Hollywood-style tracking shots on a smartphone. This gimbal is impressive. That means our phone doesn't feel like a prison. We suspended an iPhone 11 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in midair in our testing because of the strong magnet on the DJI OM4 arm and the grappling hooks. Every other aspect of the DJI OM4 is similar to how a smartphone gimbal feels. It uses 3-axis motors paired with ICE to create a neat dolly effect. The setup is minimal, and it folds up, a feature added to the Osmo Mobile 3. New trick shots on the DJI Mimi app let you channel your inner Alfred Hitchcock. Dolly Zoom, found on the DJI Mavic Zoom 2, lets you zoom in tight, while Clone Me Panorama mode lets you take over the spotlight multiple times. There's no need to upgrade just for these software additions. The DJI Mimo app will bring them to the Osmo Mobile 3, too. The DJI OM4 costs $149, £139, $239 and comes with a tripod base, gimbal, carrying bag, phone mount and magnetic ring holder, plus stickers. So it's a little cheaper than last year. In comparison, the Osmo Mobile 3 price at launch was $119, £99, $159, $399 Emirati dirham sans accessories, but with all the accessories that come with the OM4, it's $139, £119, $189, $479 Emirati dirhams. UK prices don't change, while US prices go up by $10. It uses magnets to securely attach your smartphone to the gimbal quickly and easily. Even the biggest phones fit in the DJI OM4 claw. This claw attachment fits our iPhone 11 Pro Max and new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, so we'd expect it to also work for the rumored to be bigger iPhone 12 series. It was so easy to set up the DJI OM4 because we just snapped our phone to it and took it off again. Furthermore, folding the motorized arm against the pistol grip made it easy to conceal in a backpack and took 3 seconds to operate. The DJI OM4 is going to get used a lot and capture more smooth footage. DJI OM4 still has the same rubberized pistol grip for easy handling, and a motorized arm that pans and tilts your phone to combat your trembling. There's not much difference in the layout. On the grip are a bunch of controls, a flat joystick, now rubberized, for tilting and panning, a record button so you don't have to tap your phone each time you take a shot, and a mode button to choose different shots, photos, videos, panoramas, etc. The 2 modes are landscape, for YouTube videos, and portrait, for Instagram stories. When you tap the trigger button, the camera locks onto subjects using DJI's Active Track 3.0, and then with 2 taps, it recenters. We use this frequently. The front and back camera switch with 3 taps, although iPhones and many Android phones still don't let you switch while recording videos. That's what we want in DJI Osmo Mobile 5, or DJI OM5, or whatever they call it. The left side of the grip has a rocker for zooming in or out. That's so useful now that so many smartphones come with telephoto and ultra-wide-angle cameras. There's a USB-C charging port on the right, and above that a USB-A port for charging your phone. It turns out that recording 4K at 60 FPS video in the sun will drain your battery. Just one last design change, the color was changed to an off-white/gray that shouldn't give people too much trouble. When we used it for street photography in New York City, we felt more at ease carrying it because it looks less like a weapon. We were shooting with it on a hot summer weekend and charging our phone with it via the USB-A port, so useful, since we had the screen brightness maxed out. The DJI OM4 runs on a battery capacity of 2450 mAh, the iPhone 11 Pro Max has a 3969 mAh capacity. People like to point out that 15 hours isn't a full 24 hours. When people are out filming, they don't use a gimbal all the time. They stop and start. It's exhausting. Most people can go all day on 15 hours of battery. The last thing we need to talk about is accessories. The OM4 came with a compact grip tripod, so as soon as we took the gimbal out of the box we had a way to put it up. The 1/4 inch mount on the bottom makes this gimbal stand on its own. No motion shots or time lapses without one.